I bet many of you have watched this before.
Steve and Dave use eToro to invest in the financial markets. Steve does research on global investment opportunities. Dave does research on how to become a level 60 wizard. Steve follows the feed for the latest market news. Dave follows the feed for the latest cat videos. Steve has a watch list for promising investments. Dave has a watch list too. So why is Dave just as good an investor as Steve? It's because Dave used eToro's copy trader to automatically replicate Steve's trading activity. Whenever Steve makes a trade, Dave does too. Yes. Trade like a Steve with eToro, the world's leading social trading platform.
So most of you have probably seen these annoying ads that pop up whenever you watch YouTube video, right? All of them talk about this one thing, eToro. What on earth is this eToro? Is it even legit or is it actually a scam? I decided to do some digging. Watch till the end of the video to find out what I've learned about them. Hi, welcome back to Mr. Money TV, bringing you the best tips and tools for a better future. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever we update the latest money video. And if you enjoy this video, please do help me by clicking the like button. That will really help me with the YouTube algorithm to reach more people with my content. So smash the like button. Also, for those of you who are more active on Facebook or Instagram, well, we actually have a Facebook page and also an Instagram as well. So do follow us there. Now, many of us has probably seen all these eToro ads talking about social trading and investing. So what on earth is eToro? Is it a scam or is it legit? I did some simple research on Google and it tells us that eToro was founded in the year of 2007. Now it's one of the largest fintech company globally with millions of users. They have multiple offices in UK, China, US and Australia. And they're also regulated in CySEC in Europe and FCA in UK, ASIC in Australia. Well, what I'll do is I'll attach a link to all this information in the description below so you can go and check it out. Well, it seems legit so far in terms of regulation and what I've googled so far. But are this information enough for me to start investing through eToro? Well, no. Personally, I like to know a little bit more before I start investing through them. I want to know who are the people behind the company, why they even started this, and who are the investors, because that would give me more confidence in using their platform. After all, we're talking about investing money, right? It's my hard-earned money, babe. So I've done some research into this company over some time and tested their demo account as well. So I want to share with you what I've learned about them and you can be the judge whether are they legit or not. Let's get started. Who are the people behind eToro? eToro was founded by the brothers Yoni Asia and Ronan Asia together with David Ring. I hope I pronounced their name correctly. So who on earth are these people? To find out, I decided to use the power of social network. LinkedIn. I believe that most of the genuine, legit tech entrepreneurs will have a public LinkedIn account, right? So this is what I did. I go on LinkedIn and I search for them. Guess what I found? Now, based on their LinkedIn, Yoni Asia is the current CEO of eToro and Ronan Asia is the Chief Product Officer of eToro. David Ring, on the other hand, has built multiple startups in finance and artificial intelligence. Well, it's good to see that the founders are still with the company actually. And one interesting fact, all three of them are actually non-finance graduates, but they managed to build one of the biggest fintech company in the world. Don't you think that's quite amazing, right? Basically, the purpose of this is not to stop them, but just to be sure that the founders are not some scammers, but genuine tech entrepreneurs. From what I can see on LinkedIn, they certainly seem legit. You can go and find them on LinkedIn as well. Anyway, I'm also going to try to send them an invitation to connect with them. Let's see if they will accept, right? So why did they started eToro? So I did some searching on YouTube. I found Yoni Asia giving a speech in Web Summit. Well, basically in this speech, you will find him talking about why they started eToro. You can watch the full video through the link in the description. I'm going to attach it there. But to put it in short, basically he wants to make investment management affordable and transparent. Because traditionally, investment management is very expensive and not that transparent. So with eToro, he does that. And through eToro, they want to make financial knowledge easily accessible and free. They want to build the Uber of finance through eToro, where instead of people sharing their car, they can share financial knowledge and expertise in managing investment. So that is where the copy trading feature comes in for eToro, which is also called social trading. With that in eToro, you can view and follow what other traders invest in, and if you find that there's one trader that you like and has a good track record, you can choose to set up your account to automatically copy that trader's trade in real time. So it's kind of like carpool, but instead of sharing their cars with you, they're sharing their financial skills with you. And guess what? This feature is free. Now, personally, I really like the idea of what eToro is trying to build. I believe that good investment management should be affordable and accessible to everyone, not just reserved for the rich. Traditionally, the rich people can hire a professional investment manager to trade for them, but normal people like you and I, it's hard to afford that. But social trading makes this happen for normal people. In a way, through eToro, you can hire an investment manager to trade for you for free. Anyway, in terms of credibility, this speech was done in Web Summit, and Web Summit is the largest tech conference in the world, with partners from Fortune 500 companies like Google and Microsoft. Along the years, they also had speakers like Elon Musk, Stephen Hawking, and other big names who speak in their conference. So to be a speaker at that conference, you gotta be screened through properly to make sure that what you say is gonna be credible and your character is credible personality. So I would say that it seems pretty credible to me so far. And then for investors, I think any legit company with a strong profile would have credible investors also. It's not just some Ali or Abu, some Adam living right down the street. Because big investor got a reputation to protect. So they will also do their due diligence before investing, and this is how we can leverage on that. It's kind of like Warren Buffett. If he invests in a company, you can be almost certainly sure that the company that is investing in is credible and it's unlikely that it's gonna be a scam. So it's important for me to find out who invests in eToro. So after some digging, this is what I found. Some of eToro's investors are Ping An Venture, the investment arm of Ping An Insurance in China, one of the largest insurance company in China. Spark Capital, a venture capital in US, who also invested in Twitter and Slack. SBI Holding, a financial services company which is listed in the Tokyo Stock Exchange, Osaka Stock Exchange, and Hong Kong Stock Exchange as well. Well, from here we can see that they got some pretty big names who invest in them. So with all these big names, it kind of gives me a lot more security and peace of mind when I invest in them. At least I know that they will not just suddenly disappear and so on. And actually over the last few months, I've been toying with their demo account before I really got interested and took my time to research in them. I used their virtual portfolio that they gave me to invest the virtual money into different traders on social trading and also different companies just to try it out to see whether I even like the app or not. So through this time, one of my favorite features of eToro is the copy trading feature, where you can find other traders on the eToro network who have strong track record and choose to copy their trades in real time. It's kind of like hiring an investment manager to invest my money for me. It's interesting to see some traders who are making profit even at this bad economic condition. From what I see, some of them even make more than 50% return year to date. So I pumped in my own money and I decided to copy some of them. Well, I'll share more with you guys later about my copy trading experience in another video. Anyway, I'll also attach the links to the information that I gave you just now in this video in the description below. So feel free to check them out and do your own research as well. Now, this is what I've learned about eToro so far, and I find it credible to myself. Also, I've attached a link for those of you who are interested to try out a free demo account from eToro. You will be given virtual money where you can invest, trade, and explore the feature, and also check out the copy trade. You can just follow traders with those virtual money and see you make money or lose money. It's up to you. Well, anyway, the money is not real, but the account will work exactly like a real account. So you can get comfortable before you decided if you want to pump in real money or not. So do check it out. The link is in the description below. Well, that's all after all the research I've done. So in my own personal opinion, I find that eToro have an incredible team, credible investors, and regulated by multiple authorities. And I feel a lot more comfortable using their platform after finding out all this. I hope it helps you as well. So this is my research and finding about eToro. But what do you think? You be the judge of it. Do you think eToro is a scam or legit? Do share with us your thoughts in the comment below. Well, thank you for watching Mr. Money TV. Do subscribe and turn on the notification so you get notified when I share with you guys about my copy trading experience with eToro. I'll see you next time.